Okay, so I signed up for Smile Direct Club. Reason why is throughout high school, I always wanted to just change my gap and fix my overbite. Show you guys my teeth on live video. So there's my teeth. That's the overbite right there. Now I got right here and right there, and obviously, so I just wanted to be straight because it's kind of crooked. Whatever. But when you sign up for a Smile Direct Club, you get this little tote bag, and then in it, they give you like a guide to inviting friends, and you get like special rewards for inviting people, and they show you how to share information about them and how you can end up posted in one of their flyers and things like that. And these are some of the people, some of the cases that they've had, whatever, and all the facts and things like that. You get that little book. Then they give you a free smile whitening machine with one free whitening pen to go with it, and it just hooks into your phone. And I shall open it for you guys. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Okay, so it opens. Open up. Tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotion waterfall. So it's got how you use it, everything like that. Open up. Need to deep breathe, heart and complications. This is what the packaging looks like. Open up. This is the whitening cream. Contemplation over our situation. Open up. You OPN. Bitch, you won't be BM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN. So here's a little machine. It's got different pieces to fit into your phone. Whatever phone you have, be that an Android or an iPhone. I'll show you guys how that works, if it works. When I use it. Slide that back in there. So that's what you get when you first sign up. After you do the 3D scan, when you leave the office, you get this and a little tote bag. Then, after they get your 3D braces done, they send you this big old box, which has your braces in it. Now, I just got these, and I don't know if they're gonna fit or not, or how they're gonna feel, or anything like that. As far as payment, I think it was like $85 a month. I'll have to get back with you guys on the recap video about how this felt after a week, and give you those facts, because I don't remember everything. I know it's $1,000 and something up front when you first get your box, or you pay however many hundreds, and you would pay like $80 something a month. I think it's like 6 to 8 months, but I'm gonna dig it up for you guys and let you know. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you on my 10. Request my cherry, the door's OPN.
impression. You OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN. Take the high road and hop in. First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends.
Shop for smile for a moment, feature with superstar.
Engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya.
They want you taking pictures of the teeth and how it's progressing and show how to tag them on Instagram and things like that. I love this thing.
She's closing up. Come to visit me, she say that she the loneliest and it's hard to open up.
Show you how to brush your teeth while using the braces and lightning tools and there's a little pamphlet showing you how to use the aligners. Can't do that one-handed. I'll just look at that later and then you guys know what's in there. There's a little
open up. Need to deep breathe hard and calm.
This says only pull one set of aligners out at a time. And then there's the aligners in here. And a little welcome card. Information about the warranty.
If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The doors open.
And these are Chewies.
Take the high road and hop in.
Because they're aligner tray setters.
We should be closer than friends.
It looks like those little wires that go in your mouth to keep it from salivating. Let's see. They call this the aligner remover thingamabob. So it's to help pull the liners off the teeth. Get 4 more whitening pens, you get a lip balm, you get a traveling case, a sterile traveling case. Let me see. What else is in here? You get the smile stretcher to stretch out your jaw. Let's see. Is all of the liners, and they're all marked for the day, blah blah blah.
You OPN, we should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya.
Yes.
The door's OPN.
Month 1, week 1. So this is the one I'll be putting in.
You OPN, we should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN. Take that high road and hop in. First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN. Take that high road and hop in.
And this is my top ones. You see my little gap
I'm trying to put your heart
right
together,
there.
found it broken up.
Y'all, the amount of shaking that's about to happen when I put these braces in, every single time I put these braces in, I shake like crazy. Like, it's unbelievable. Cringe.
So they definitely click up there, but it's so weird. Like, they say you're not gonna talk with us, and look, you already hear it. I'm talking with us. Okay, but they're up there. They're up there, and they're definitely tight around here. So,
Coco, can we discuss the sweat that just put on your chest? Do y'all not see that? Do y'all not see the beads of sweat that just appeared on my chest out of nowhere? Do y'all not see that? I was so afraid of these braces, y'all don't even know.
Here's the bottom. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN. I found myself having to like suck the spit out of my mouth. I'm kind of worried about it, like just being spit in the little gap part.
Girl, that's sick.
Okay, there you go. And then just click down. Alright, and so y'all see like how my teeth, like that one is crooked, and it goes in like that, and it goes in like that. So I'm trying to fix that. So there you are, you guys. That's that. And those little black things that you see in the back, that's just words that's on the liners themselves. I don't have caps or anything like that.
Yeah, so don't freak out, people. It's all good. Be healthy.
I can see myself going quite often. I'm gonna have to not make that a habit. Because what I worry about, the reason I'm doing that is because I worry about like spit somehow getting inside of the liners.
And here we go. So disgusting. You need to stop talking about that. I can't. Cringe. I can't deal with you.
They're tight, but they're comfortable. Like it's not like annoying tight where I'm like, oh my god, I can't wear these. Oh my god, I can't wear these. I got a headache. It's not like that. But I have to wear these for a week, and then switch out each week. So this starts week 1 of the liners. I have to make sure that I don't lift like I have braces on, even though you can see them.
That's because you do have braces on, Coco. What are you talking about?
You know, they're cute. They're cool. Whatever. For now, you have to wear these throughout the day and throughout the night.
Oh, girl.
So we'll see what happens.
Good luck. Good luck. Let me know how that goes.